Hi everyone, welcome to a quiz site that I've found recently, and this site features different quizzes every time you refresh the page. So as you can see, it has examples like how many countries can you name in 5 minutes? Would you make a good human shield? Would you eat your buddies in a blizzard? The geek quiz. What are your chances of surviving a zombie apocalypse? So tonight I will be taking the Would You Eat Your Buddies in a Blizzard quiz. So we will see how well I do. So starting off, supposing you were stranded in a blizzard and were forced to cannibalize your friends, this short survey will tell you how likely you would be to eat your buddies. This quiz works best if you pick a few of your closest friends and answer the questions with them in mind. So let's get started. Question 1 of 13. What's the longest you've ever gone without eating? I would say 5 to 10 hours. Choose the option that best describes your friend's body type. They're all athletic and muscular. They're all mostly athletic and in reasonable shape. It's a big mix. Some are overweight, some are lean. They're all fairly lean. They're all overweight. I would have to say number 2. Question 3. When in a social environment, do you often sacrifice your own comfort for that of the group? For instance, sitting in the back seat of a very cramped car instead or riding up front. So I would have to say, reading the question again, I would say I'm very self-sacrificing. Question 4. Prior to taking this quiz, have you ever debated what part of the human body you would eat first, if forced? I would probably say yes, perhaps once or twice. Question 5. Are you stronger than your friends? I would have to say we're about equal in terms of strengths. I'd take answer 3. Question 6. Supposing you were in a restaurant and cooked human flesh was on the menu, what would you do? I would have to call the police. Definitely not eat it. If it was necessary to survive, question 7, how guilty would you feel eating human flesh? I would have to say, not even looking at the questions or the answer, I'd have to say very guilty. I might cry or throw up. Question 8. Are you or have you ever been a vegetarian? I would say yes. Question 9. How often do you like your steak? I would have to say, I'd say number 7, don't eat steak. Question 10. Do you enjoy eating sushi? I would say no. Question 11. Would you eat veal? Veal is beef that comes from baby cows. I would say no. Question 12. How often does being around blood make you feel? I'd have to say answer 5. Interested. I think blood and gore are fascinating. I watch the horror movies, so it doesn't actually scare me. Question 13, the last one. Could you outrun your friends? I would have to say yes. Definitely if the situation came down to it, a zombie apocalypse or something, I would definitely run as fast as I could and say yes. So let's see if it can tell me. I want to take myself to the quiz results. Okay, so here we go. I'm 37% likely to eat my buddies in a quiz answer. So there we go. It says here, chances I'd eat my friends if trapped and starving, 37% chance. So the good news is for tonight that I'm 37% more than 37% likely to eat my buddies when surviving in a blizzard. So just to keep you all interested. So hopefully you've enjoyed doing the quiz with me, and thanks for watching.